This stuff is very well wrapped. Got a strong smell. Okay. Look at that.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah. Fully restored console.
Oh, that's very nice.
Look at that.
Look at it. Yeah.
Originally, the console was kind of tore up on the back here. It was also kind of tore up over here in the, I guess we'd call it the change tray. Along the edge, right there, it was torn up pretty good. Yeah. That's the console from Just Ashes. And again, you have to take everything apart, completely disassemble it before you send it to them. And I've got a new top to go on it. Yeah. I guess we can maybe, can you slowly turn it over, Deb? See the bottom of it? Very carefully. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, looks good here. Okay. And all my vents and speaker grills were wrapped separately in the console box, so they're all here. AC vents and speaker grills, so I'm not going to bother unwrapping those. Again, this is just an inspection because I'm not ready to install it just yet. I've got a few other things to do to the car, but it won't be long. Let me turn it over again. Carefully turn it over, flip it. Yeah, the other way, there you go. Nope, just gonna say it like that. Okay. As they preserve the, you know, the texture, the, what you call it, the, you know, the grain, you know, the faux texture that the car came with, so that's really nice. So, yeah, so that is my console and dash restore from Just Dashes. Packed very well. Took about, I guess about 4 or 5 months from the time I sent it to receiving it. It's December now, and I think I sent it away sometime during the summer, July, August, I think, I'm not sure. But once they get it into the queue, they get it done fairly quickly, but it does take time, but no rush on my part. You know, it's all about the quality of the work, and this is not cheap, but I think it's probably worth it. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, or subscribe, ask questions about my dash or the console and Just Dashes and my experience here. And let me know what you think. And not too distant future, we'll see it installed in the car. Won't be long.